The hope that I'm a long, long way from Krishna, but Krishna will surely pick me up. That hope, that should give us joy, isn't it? But Sanatana Goswami says that is giving me pain. Why should it give us pain? Why should he feel pained by that? So some thoughts about this. Well, Krishna is very great. I am very low. In my heart there are so many materialistic desires, so many contaminations, so many attachments, which birth after birth I've just been collecting more and more attachments within my heart. And why should I oblige Krishna or to come down to pick me up? It's just like if there's someone is very nicely bathed and clean, and then something falls in the drain which is full of dirty things, and then he's obliged to pick it up, and then he becomes unclean by doing that. Of course, Krishna never becomes unclean. But the whole thought that Krishna is so pure and so much above us, and because I'm so wretched, I'm so fallen, practically I'm obliging Krishna or to come down and pick me up. He is so pure, I am so contaminated. He has so many good devotees who are pure-hearted and serving him so nicely. And why am I troubling him? Why am I so contaminated? Why am I like that? That should give us pain. Why am I not better? Why am I attached to all the dirty things in my heart? Why? Why can't I just throw that out? So the hope is unbreakable. Acheda mula sati. But the goal seems long. I've got a long way to go. We know that Krishna will pick us up, but we have to show our sincerity. We have to do our work also. Sanatana Goswami says, Shravanadi Bhakti. So it's not that we're just sitting around cultivating all kinds of material desires and just hoping that Krishna will pick us up anyway. That's not real. That's not real devotion. Real devotion means that let me take up the process that Krishna has given us to attain that prem. Atantar dolabha prema koribare dan sharanga sharanagati. What is that? Koribare dan? How does that? Sharanga sharanagati. Shikai sharanagati bhakatera pran. This Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to give the very rarely attained love of Krishna, but he did so by teaching the process of taking shelter of Krishna. There's a process. We have to do our work also.